friends, this is Musa whenever you watching tech issues. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to notify us for upcoming videos. So without wasting of time, let's start the video.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra is launching a month earlier than anticipated, and that's a good news if you're eager to own a very best of what Samsung can pack into a smartphone. While it is cheaper than last year's Ultra phone, it remains pricey for average consumers and doesn't come with a microSD card slot, nor does it include a charger. The new Galaxy S21 Ultra is Samsung's new everything phone, with more cameras, beefier specifications, and even S-Pen capability to eclipse the very likable Note 20 Ultra. If you're dismayed about the rumors of the end of Note series, just try the S21 Ultra. This is Samsung's vision of smartphone access for 2021. 5 cameras led by a 108 megapixel sensor, 2 telephoto cameras, 100x zoom and 40 megapixel selfies, plus 5G all-day battery life and up to 16GB of RAM. All packed into an Android phone with a 6.8-inch 120Hz Quad HD display and an upgraded screen fingerprint sensor that is a 1.7x larger surface area than one on last year's phone. It's one of the best smartphones in 2021 along with Samsung Galaxy S21 and Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and it sets the bar much higher than last year's problematic Ultra phone. Samsung has retooled its main camera with lasers, yes, lasers to remedy the autofocus issues on Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and also upgrade the specifications to keep up the demands of processing those large 108 megapixel photos and 40 megapixel selfies and 8K video without as much as echo. Photos look sharp, dynamic range is impressive, and Samsung's tripod lock software feature studies the 30x and 100x zoom level on subjects to prevent the viewfinder image from jumping around. It's much easier to pull off the 100x space zoom now, although punching in 100x is limited to being a neat party trick due to grainy images, while 30x is passable in the right light. It's the S21 Ultra's 10x and 3x optical zoom levels that nail the photos we wanted every time, more than any other smartphone telephoto camera. Our side-by-side comparison with iPhone 12 Pro Max, which tops out at a 2.5x optical zoom, bore that out. Apple's main camera captures cleaner photos in some low-light situations, but Samsung's night mode is improved enough to almost close the gap after sunset or when you are snapping away indoors, and its default camera app is more feature-packed, easier to use than Apple's. Photography and speed are only two-thirds of the story here. This is the tale of design, beauty, and performance beast, with a gently curved edge-to-edge display, similar rear camera bump, and mesmerizing matte phantom black color option. That's a black all sucking in gas. Also, other colors are available too. It's odd to look away. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is Samsung's best looking phone ever. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra release date was January 29, 2021. The launch event was January 14, meaning that both the official announcements are a month earlier than we are used for company's flagship smartphone. Galaxy S21 series is special for two reasons. It marks the debut of brand new chipset, and the software has been streamlined just a bit, with ever-evolving One UI 3.0 interface entitled to Android 11.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.